Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I feel like it's been forever since we've unboxed something because I guess it kind of has been. But I'm back today with Harry's Razors. So Harry's Razors is a razor subscription box. Inside this box it says there's a gel and some razors. Here's a little logo. This is the whole enchilada. So this should be, I think, the example of the trial box, which for $3, you get your first 2 weeks. It includes shipping, includes razors, includes everything. So you can try it. And then if you like it, you order for refills. You choose your refill frequency. It comes to about $2 per blade with free shipping if you do the monthly. But you can bulk buy 8 blades at a time and choose how frequently you want those to come in. It comes down to $1.87, which if you kind of go out there and run numbers, if this is a good razor, I'll know soon. The rates are very, very good. And you do nothing. It just comes to your door. You can cancel any time. They have accessories, skincare, shaving supplies, and more that you could add into your box should you need it. So, enough talking. Let's see what's inside the box. So this is the $3 trial box anybody can do once you sign up on my link, which I will link in just a bit for you guys. It says, hi there. We started Harry's to make shaving better. And it talks about their mission. Good, nice paper. Cute. And that's really cute. Here we go. Here's the bag. Herein lies everything you need for a smooth shave. How this works, first off, congrats. 1, start using supplies in this bag. 2, based on your preferences you set, we'll send you supplies. 3, shave, enjoy, repeat. All right, let's see. Does it pull open? There we go. Woo! I already threw the razors. Where did I throw that? There it is. Okay, I threw this little guy. So I have shave gel with aloe, cushions for a smooth shave. Let me see if I can smell it. Smell a little bit. Oh. John, will you get me a paper towel? Oh, it smells good. It's got a really light hot guy smell. I guess so. It seems to lather good. I have no water, right? I just did it. So, I don't know. I'm impressed with that. Okay. It says, removing your blade, grip the pusher at its base with your forethumb and forefinger. 2, slide pusher away from the handle. It should pop off with ease. So here's how to do it. And then Harry's some tips for a smooth shave. And it just breaks down how to shave your face. Talks about the products. It's a good little card. Now, I wasn't sure if Harry's was for boys or girls. I'm now catching on that Harry's is for men or boys, whatever. And so, presentation's really great. I've been very impressed. Let me turn my little heater off. Y'all, my little house I bought in San Antonio is a true 1960s original, as in we freeze our heinies off in here. Okay, look. It's got a good grip. Seems nice. It's soft. Watch, I'm going to like slice my hand open on live. Ooh la. There we go. So I guess this guy is supposed to last 2 weeks before they will send me a replacement top. Is this like a guard? I guess so. Let's see. Oh yeah. There you go. Travel ready. So it comes with this, but you can also have this and the shave gel. So I got all of this for $3. It's supposed to last 2 weeks, which I will have to try it out. Jonathan doesn't use a razor on his face, so I'll try it out on my legs. We'll see how long it lasts there. And then I'll loop back. I am not doing a blog post on this, so just watch social media for an update. I'm going to throw up the link now. If y'all want to give Harry's a try, use my link, and you'll get to try it for 2 weeks and get everything here for $3. All right, guys. I hope you have a fabulous day, and we'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.